Hey guys, in today's video, we're testing this cleaning machine that uses some kind of high-pressure steam, and the professional machine like this, that's used in car washes, usually costs around $1,000. But take a look at this one. I found it in China for only $40. It just arrived, so let's go test it. Here it is. We got a pair of gloves. Wow, there's a whole kit in here. There's a towel, a power cord, an oriental tassel to decorate your car after you clean it. There are some other pieces, some brushes, and also a scraping spatula. Okay, let's assemble the machine. Oh, looks like you can change the tip, and then use this one that's much longer, if you want to reach in places that are more difficult to access. But today we are going to clean the Jetta. I think this one will fit better. And I can see there's a thread here, which is probably where you fit different brushes that you can see over here. We have this bigger one, the smaller one, and this one made of steel, which I'm not gonna use on my car to not ruin it, right? Right? There it is. The pressured steam comes through here. Let's plug it. This is important. 110 volts. I think we need to put some water in here. It can hold a lot of water. Wow. I think a whole liter of water is enough to do this test. So, let's close it and get to work. Hello, did you guys request cleaning services for a Jetta? Yes, it's right here. Come with me, I'm going to show you where the car is. As you can see, somebody pranked me and ruined my car. I just parked it. Can you see what they did here? Why would anyone do something like this? Looks like they used a lot of super glue. They painted the car with something. The seats are all full of mold. Let's see if this thing can really handle this. Let me plug it here. Oh, where is my adapter? There it is. All done. I wonder how long it takes to pressurize. Oh, there's a switch button over here. There's something happening. Whoa. It's leaking. I think it takes a while to heat up and pressurize. Oh, damn, the water is hot. Seriously, don't do that. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Just look how easy it is. And that was super glue. Just look. Can you come closer? Just take a look. It's all gone. Let me try it here. Look how strong it is. Oh my god. Look, that was paint. Guys, I have to say, I am really impressed. Check out how bad it is. Here we go. Damn, it's all gone. Look at that. This kind of glue is very annoying to clean. But it came out super easy. Okay, now let's move on. Let's try it here. I want to clean the seats. I'm just going to reduce the power first. It's brand new again. Wait, hold on a second. Look how dirty it is. Wow. You will see if I rub it. Yikes, look how dirty that water is. It's dripping black. This machine is really insane. Honestly, I didn't think such a cheap machine was going to be so effective. This is awesome, and it has several attachments. There's a metallic nozzle to clean stoves and stuff like that. I like it. It's tested and approved.